This is Matt, and this will be a video on ProtonVPN pricing. How much does ProtonVPN cost? So first things first, I do have an affiliate link in my video description just below this video. If you click on that link, you can find yourself here, a very similar page, or this exact page, depending on how ProtonVPN change their pages over time. But depending on when you actually visit this link, you might get as much as 70% off. There's 38% off on this plan and 70% off on this plan currently with that link. So click that link and you'll wind up on a page very much like this. So plans and pricing, let's take a look at the plans and pricing, as some of these can be a little bit complicated as they have a lot of different options here as we scroll down. So first of all, you can have a free plan. So you can have Proton free, which is priced at £0 or dollars per month. So here you can secure one device at a time. You get medium VPN speed. And as you can see here, it connects to servers in 10 countries randomly selected. So there are limitations there, of course, but that is a free plan. That's kind of your entry-level plan. What they describe as the best deal, which ProtonVPN themselves say is the VPN Plus. This one is £2.39 per month. Now this is showing priced in GBP. As I'm in Britain here, I'm actually going to flick on over to the USD prices. So you see here, this VPN Plus is charged at £2.99 per month. That is with the 2-year price, which I'll explain in just a moment. And then they also have Proton Unlimited, currently 38% off. That is charged at £7.99 per month. So you see here the VPN Plus, you can secure up to 10 devices at a time, so you could do your whole family maybe. It's got the highest VPN speed. There's 20,000 plus servers in over 140 countries, so totally different to the 10 countries here that are randomly selected. And then there's a whole load of other points here. I'm not going to read absolutely everything. With Proton Unlimited, you get access to all of the premium Proton products as well. They also do email, which I use. There's Proton Pass, there's the VPN, obviously, that we just discussed, and Calendar and Drive. So if you want the full package, you can pay $7.99 per month. With just the VPN, it's $2.99 per month. This is the best deal right here. So as far as the duration, I said about the 2 years, so you get 70% off currently by paying for the 2-year package. So full disclosure, if you want to actually just pay monthly, you can do this 1 month right here. But the full disclosure point is that one of the things that's hidden in these early plans is you do have to pay for all of the months up front. So if you just want to pay month to month and you don't want that commitment of paying up front, you can get the VPN Plus at $9.99 and Unlimited at $12.99. So those are more expensive per month. If you got the 1-year package, it's more cheaper even, and then 2 years even cheaper. So you see how that scales. You can just pay month to month, but you're going to pay more per month if you do that. So I just thought I'd point that out in fairness. Then as we scroll down, we've got this pricing table comparison right here. So it's always interesting on these sort of pricing pages where you can actually see all the different plans laid out side by side, and you can see what you get and often what you don't get in some cases, depending on the plan. So as we scroll down, there's a bit more information. There's some reviews and stuff. There's some frequently asked questions down there at the bottom if you want more information. But I highly advise you to get this deal, to check out ProtonVPN, see if it is for you. So check out my link. Hopefully this video has been useful and helpful for you. If you found it informative, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.